Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. Welcome to yet another wonderful episode of our Kuchipudi Amritam, organized by Kuchipudi Kala Kendram under the able guidance of Kalaratna Guru Srimati A.B. Bala Kondalarao Garu. This Kuchipudi Amritam has been organized with respect to the 75 glorious years of Indian independence that our country is celebrating. Kuchipudi Amritam discusses about the face of Kuchipudi through the lives and journeys of eminent Kuchipudi personalities over generations. Today, we are back with yet another wonderful guest who is a well known performer and a teacher. But before going into the episode, following our tradition, I deem it an honor and privilege to tell a few lines about our revered Guru, Kalaratna Srimati A.B. Bala Kondalarao Garu. Guru Srimati Bala Kondalarao Garu, fondly called as Balaka, is one of the prime disciples of Padma Bhushan Guru Dr. Vempati Chinnasatyam Master Garu. With over 55 years of dancing and teaching experience, Balaka has nurtured and molded thousands of students in the divine art form of Kuchipudi, and many of her students are well known performers, gurus, and researchers in the field of Kuchipudi dance. Balaka was appointed as the assistant teacher to her guru Vempati Chinnasatyam Master Garu at her alma mater Kuchipudi Art Academy Madras, and post marriage Balaka moved to the port city of Vishakhapatnam, where she served as the principal of Kuchipudi Kalakshetra, a sister organization of Kuchipudi Art Academy, for more than a decade. In the year 1997, she established her own academy, the Kuchipudi Kala Kendram, and the rest is history. Balaka is very well known for her intricate choreography and her expertise in the technicalities of Kuchipudi dance. There are many awards and recognitions that have been decorating Balaka. A few of them are the Central Sangeeta Natak Academy Award from the Sangeeta Natak Academy, New Delhi, the Kalaratna Award from the Government of Andhra Pradesh, Rajiv Gandhi Award from the Andhra University, Vishakhapatnam, Lifetime Achievement Award from Dr. Ramineni Foundation, and Balaka was also the recipient of Senior Fellowship from the Ministry of Culture for her work Kuchipudi Padanarthanam. These are but a few awards and recognitions that Balaka has achieved. But more than anything, to Balaka, her students, and the great Guru Parampara that she belongs to are her biggest awards. Balaka believes that dance is a yoga encompassing all dance forms of dance, music, sculpture, and painting. And dance is not just a technical form of art, but a life itself. Balaka was very instrumental in starting the Department of Dance at the Andhra University, Vishakhapatnam. On this note, I welcome my revered Guru, Kalaratna, Srimati A.B. Bala Kondalarao Garu, for this episode of Kuchipudi Amritam. Balaka, namaste and welcome.
Namaste, Nana.
So, our guest for today's Kuchipudi Amritam is a well-known Kuchipudi performer and Guru Shri Madhavapeddi Murthy Garu. I deem it an honor to speak a few lines about our guest for today. Shri Madhavapeddi Murthy Garu, renowned Kuchipudi exponent, is the son of the veteran playback singer Shri Madhavapeddi Satyam Garu, and he is the disciple of Padma Bhushan Guru Dr. Vempati Chinnasatyam Master Garu. Murthy Garu has traveled and performed in major dance festivals in India and all over the world, like the Taj Mahotsav, Hampi Utsav, Khajuraho Festival, Puri Beach Festival, Rajgir Mahotsav, Konark Festival, Malabar Mahotsav, to name a few. He has performed, given lecture demonstrations, conducted dance workshops in countries like United States, Canada, France, Belgium, Japan, UAE, Indonesia, Malaysia, to name a few. He performs as the male lead along with Srimati Hema Malini in her dance ballets. He has performed more than 500 shows with Srimati Hema Malini ji over 30 years. He is the founder and director of Shiva Foundation in Chennai, and he has received the prestigious Kalaimamani Award from the government of Tamil Nadu. May I now request Guru Srimati Bala Kondalarao Garu to warmly welcome our guest for the day.
Baji, hello Nana.
Namaste.
Namaste Nana. Ela unnavu?
I'm fine, Naka. It's wonderful to see you like this.
చాలా ఆనందంగా కళాకేంద్ర నిన్ను ఇన్వైట్ చేస్తోంది బాజీ. అదే మూర్తి, అందరూ మూర్తి అని పిలుస్తారు కానీ నాకు అలవాటు బాజీయే కాబట్టి నాకు బాజీ అని వస్తుంది. చాలా చాలా సంతోషంగా నిన్ను కూచిపూడి కళాకేంద్రం ఆహ్వానిస్తోంది నాన్న.
Akka, firstly, I have to really thank Kuchipudi Kalakendram and you, my dearest Balaka and Aditya, Malyada, who have been a pillar of support to your academy and in your life of Kuchipudi in these last few decades. I think I should really thank you all for remembering Murthy in Chennai and inviting me. And firstly, congratulations, because this is the 75th year of independence for our great Bharat country. And you have chosen this year to start this Amritam, which is nothing but nectar. The nectar is for us at the moment is our beautiful art form that we learned, Kuchipudi. So I know that anything that you start, anything that you create, anything that you mold has a importance. So I'm very happy today to be here as part of this evening.
I request Aditya also to warmly welcome Murthy Annaya.
నమస్తే బాజీ మావయ్య. నాకు మీ అందరినీ మావయ్య అని పిలవడం అలవాటు కాబట్టి ఐ జస్ట్ గో విత్ మావయ్య. We, the Kuchipudi Kala Kendram, is an honor to invite you for the Kuchipudi Amritam series, and we definitely want to hear all your experiences with all our audience and to share with all the Kuchipudi younger generations. And we want your inspiration and your energy level to give to all us and to the younger generations. Thank you, Mavya.
Yep.
Once again, we warmly welcome you to Kuchipudi Amritam series.
Murthy Annaya, as Balaka said, you are Madhavapedi Murthy to the entire world. But మాకు ఇంట్లో బాలక బాజీ బాజీ అని మీ గురించి చెప్పి చెప్పి మాకు ఏంటంటే బాజీ మామయ్య అని, ఆదిత్యకి మా ఆయనకి, నాకు బాజీ అన్నయ్య అని, సో మాకు అలాగే అలవాటు. అండ్ వెన్ ఐ కాల్ యూ బాజీ అన్నయ్య, ఐ గో బ్యాక్ టు మై Swarabhishekam days where, we worked together for Venugana Sammohanam song. And, I become nostalgic when I'm seeing you virtually like this. And we're very happy to have you, Annaya, with us. I mean, we are not feeling it like an interview. It's like a family affair right now for all of us, even though we are virtually connected.
Sure.
Annaya, so you belong to a musical background family. Nanagaru, he was a great musician of his times and a very well-known playback singer. So coming from a musical background, what made you choose dance to start off with? So how did you start, and how did your family background help you to do this? So a few words about that.
Okay. As you've already informed the audience that I'm the son of late Madhavapedi Satyangaru, who has sung that famous all-time record-breaking song Vivaha Bhojanambu. Family, Madhavapedi family, more they are into the music side. And for many of them who do not know this, my father's elder brother was Gokhale Garu, Madhavapedi Gokhale Garu, Ma Gokhale Nochedi. He was a very well-noted art director, and he was the main art director for all the films produced by Vijaya Vahini Productions like Maya Bazaar, Patala Bhairavi, and all those classic gems. And he's the one who created the get-up for N.T. Ramarao Garu as Lord Krishna. And then you have Madhavpeti Suresh, who is a music director, who has done many films in Telugu. And then my uncle Madhavpeti Prasad, who's been acting in TV serials. And then my aunt, who was by name Rama Prasad, she used to sing in films. Like this, they were all in music. But as you said, I'm the only one who took dance. That is a beautiful thing, and I'd like to share that to you, how I, from this family of musicians and music directors, how I became a dancer. When I was very young, maybe I was about 3 years old, 2 houses away, there was a very good dancer known as Yadavalli Rama. I'm sure Balaka knows her very well, and her sister was Swarna, who was a singer. And Yadavalli Rama used to practice Kuchipudi. She had also learned from Master Garu. That is Vempati Sachin Garu, our great guru. From him she learned. And I was very small. I used to go to a house, and because you know very well, those years we never had TVs and we never had anything. So the entertainment was only something, some sound coming, we go there. So I went there, I watched her, and I used to come back and stand in front of a mirror and tie a belt like a, jada, and do Bhama Kalapam in the house. And my mom used to come and give me nice beatings. What are you trying to do? This went on for some time. And then maybe I was around 9-ish or 10 years old, that my uncle, the great Gokhale Garu, and his wife Kameshri Garu, they said, why don't you put him in some dance? He's very interested in dance. Why don't you do that? And then that's how I think the seed came up. And it so happened that father being in the film industry, and at the same time, Mana Guru Garu, Vempati Chinnasachan Garu was also a dance choreographer in the films. So they knew each other. But first, before going to Chinnasachan Master Garu, my father's more closer friend was Pedasachan Master Garu, Vempati Pedasachan Garu, who was in Habibullah Road. So my father took me there and asked me to put namaskaram, and then he said, okay, what you know you do. I did something, what I knew. Then he said, see, he's got good talent, but I am not taking any classes, Satyam. So what you do, you take him to my brother. He has a dance school called Kuchipudi Art Academy. You take him there. So that's how my father once met Chinnasachan Master Garu, because Chinnasachan Master Garu used to come to our colony when Manju Bhargavi used to be my neighbor. And then my father told, my son is interested and he would like to dance. So why don't you help me? And then he asked me to do something. I did some movement. I don't even know what I did. And then master said, no, he's got good talent, to bring him to my dance school. And then I will start. And that auspicious day was 1973, December 3rd, evening around 5:30, 6 o'clock, where I went to Kuchipudi Art Academy, T Nagar, and started my dance class, Tam Digi Digi Tai. Now I have to tell, in the presence of our dear Balaka. If Balaka, you remember your sister Raji Akka, right?
Yes.
Raji Akka and myself, me kalpi aa roju start chesanu, nuvve start chesavu Balaka. I remember that.
Rajalakshmi no.
Rajalakshmi. Correct. Yeah. Adi naku baga gurtu. So that was the day, that was 1973. And another thing I remember that so well is, that day I went and saw Bobby movie. And came rushing to the academy. And so I remember very well Bobby movie being released, and I went for the film that day. And then my life of the Tam Digi Digi Tai, with the support of great Balaka, I think that day it started.
అన్ని పాత రోజులు వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాయి బాజీ, ఇవన్నీ చెప్తూ ఉంటే కళ్ళ ముందన్నీ అలా కనిపిస్తూ ఉన్నాయి. నువ్వు ఆ బుల్లి పిల్లోడివి నాన్న చేయి పట్టుకుని రావడం, మాస్టర్ గారు తీసుకురావడం, ఆయన స్టార్ట్ చేసి నన్ను నేర్పించమని చెప్పడం, కళ్ళ ముందుకే వస్తున్నాయి అవన్నీ.
యు ఆర్ జస్ట్ లైక్ దట్. నేను ఆ రోజు చూసిన బాలకే ఈ రోజు చూస్తున్నాను, ఏ తేడా లేదు. యు రిమైన్ జస్ట్ ది సేమ్.
ఎందుకు తేడా లేవు, పెద్దవాళ్ళం అయిపోతున్నాం అలాగా.
God bless you, really.
బట్ బాజీ అన్నయ్య ఏంటంటే వెరీ ఎక్సలెంట్ పర్సన్. వాడు ఎంత సిన్సియర్ అంటే, ఎంతమంది పిల్లలైనా వచ్చి ఏవేవో అల్లర్లు అది చేస్తారు, చెందుతారు, కానీ వీడు చక్కగా ఏ పని మీద వచ్చాడో అది నేర్చుకుని అందరితోటి అక్క చెల్లెలు అని అందరితోటి ఎంతో ఐకమత్యంగా, ఎంతో ఎఫెక్షనేట్ గా మాకు అసలు ఎవరికి ఏం కావాలని వాడు చిన్నవాడైనా సరే బాజీ అంటే అలాగే అక్క తప్పని అందుకుని చేసేసేవాడు. అలాగే వాడు పెద్దవాడు అయ్యాక ఆఖరికి సంథింగ్ ఏరోప్లేన్స్ లో సమ్ జాబ్ చేసేవాడు కదా. కానీ తనకి ఈ డాన్స్ మీద ఉండే ప్రేమ అభిమానాలతోటి అసలు అవి ఏవి కూడా కళ్ళకు ఆనవు. మనకి ఈ ప్రపంచమే చాలా అద్భుతంగా ఉంటుంది.
బాజీ అన్నయ్య, మీరు 1973 డిసెంబర్ 3 ఇలాగా బాలక సమక్షంలో తాం దిగితే స్టార్ట్ చేశారని చెప్పినప్పుడు ఐ వాజ్ విజువలైజింగ్ యు ఆర్ ద శిశుపాల టు రుక్మిణి, యు ఆర్ ద శివ టు ద పార్వతి, you are the Ananda to the Chandalika.
Correct.
And that Rukmini and that Chandalika and that Parvati was Balaka. Shishupala, Shiva and Ananda is our Baji Annaya. So from the Tam Digitai to being Shishupala and Ananda, your journey with Balaka, if you could encapsulate it for our audience, it would be wonderful.
Sure. See, I have to very frankly tell you, Balaka is one of those very rare students of Vempati Master Garu, where she dedicated her life not for just a few hours a day, but almost the entire day. Because we know, all of us, there were times when Master Garu, when he got the idea of choreographing a particular piece, it could be sometimes even in the early morning at 4 or 4:30, and Balaka used to stay in the same compound in a different room. Master used to send word and she used to come and she used to help in choreography. So Master's vision of that choreography, Balaka excelled and showed it. And that is what we have today in most of our items, which Balaka did those movements what Master said. Obviously, if she didn't do it correctly, Master would correct and say, no, why don't you do this? And he would even shout at her. She took all those things. So she's one of the most dedicated student of Master Garu, and who knew in and out about his concepts of choreography, how an item has to be placed, and how the lyrics have to be blended into the dance, and how the music also has to be balanced. All these things, I think Balaka, it was a school of learning for her from a very, very young age. When it came to us, we were very young, and one group of us, we were used to learn, and Balaka used to take classes, and there was Durgakka, evening class Durgakka, then there was Sitaka. So different classes they all used to take. And Balaka always had a system of teaching. We all could see a kind of a dedication in her when she took classes, be it the steps or later on be it the items. So she had a specific system, and I'm sure that same system she's beautifully following, even having started her Kuchipudi Kala Kendram, or even before that at the Kuchipudi Kalakshetra in Visakhapatnam, which was Master's sister academy. All these things, I think she never deviated. Her life has been dance, and her dance is her life. So this is Balaka. I mean, we don't need to tell too much, because they say when you make rice, you take a little morsel and taste it, you can tell whether it is cooked or not. The same manner, when you see Balaka, whether it is her performance, whether it is a teaching capacity, or whatever it is, be it a foreigner, be it a Indian, be it anyone, she handled them so well, so well. And we learned, second thing, watching all these seniors perform. And as you said in the beginning, my journey with Balaka, starting with Tam Digitai and reaching to a level of performing with her as a hero in Chandalika, when she was Chandalika and I'm Ananda, and performing the role of a villain like Shishupala in Rukmini Kalyanam. And third, I'm actually getting gooseberry Terrible it is. I can't even imagine when we did Shiva and Parvati. I tell you, that particular piece, we both put our lives into it when we danced. I think the choreography of Master, one of the difficult choreography. Am I right, Balaka? It is a very
కండజాపు ధ్రువతాళం, అసలు ఆ వర్డింగ్స్ వెరీ క్రిటికల్. తాళం మీద ధ్రువతాళం అంటేనే 3 లఘువులు వేయాలి. అది మళ్ళీ ఖండజాతి ధ్రువతాళంలో ఈ శివ పార్వతుల శివతాండవం వెడుతుంది.
అది అందుకని ఆ పీస్ చేసేప్పుడు బోత్ బాలక అండ్ మై సెల్ఫ్ we were fully involved. I mean, it was a real competitive dance. When I did the right side and I finished, Balaka would go finish the same thing in the left side. You cannot deviate in anything. You cannot miss any one of our movements. And the kind of
ఇంకా దానికి ముందు అసలు ఫస్ట్ నేను శివుడు చేసేదాన్ని, బాజాన్ని అప్పటికి ఇంకా బుల్లోడే. ఆ తర్వాతకి బాజాన్ని వచ్చినప్పుడు అసలు మేమిద్దరం శివపార్వతి ఇలా చూస్తే, అరే బాబు నేను అక్కనే కానీ కాసేపు పార్వతి అనుకోరాలని చూసి నవ్వరా బాబు అని, అలాగే బాలక్క అనేవాడు. తీరా ఇలా చూడగానే అక్క అని కొంచెం నవ్వరా, నేను నీ పార్వతిని ఇప్పుడు బాజీ నవ్వు బాజీ అని.
అలాగే after that performance, in the end we will swirl, each will hold the other and we will swirl and take turns and go inside. And Balaka, in her emotion, she would almost go and fall. So Balaka specifically always used to tell, don't get this thing, you hold me properly, otherwise I will go fall also because I will become emotional. Don't leave me. So we both used to hold ourselves and I used to go because she would become that, that ఏమిటంటే ఒక అనుభూతి వాళ్ళకి తెలుస్తుంది, అది చెప్తే మనం తెలియదు అనమాట. సో అది అయిపోయిన ఫ్యూ మినిట్స్ వరకు బాలక తను పార్వతే, ఆ కైలాసంలో చేసిన పార్వతి ఇంకా భూలోకానికి వచ్చిందని అప్పుడు కొన్ని నిమిషాల తర్వాత we will realize that. Until then she is Parvati. That 10 to 12 minutes piece is exhilarating performance by Balaka, and obviously I gave the support with my performance also. So it was always a wonderful thing to work with Balaka. But when the tour came to the US in the 1984, when we all traveled, Balaka, myself, Sashi, Nalini, Shobha Natarajan, Padma Menon, like this big group, that was when Master told, "Hey, you do the role of Ananda." I mean, you can imagine the happiness that I had. But the role is so tensed and so emotional character, where Chandalika is already in a very, very different emotion. In that position, this man enters and she gives him water to quench his thirst. That scene, Balaka, I could see the real tears coming out of her eyes, and in return, I shed tears. Maybe the role of Ananda says Ananda Bhashpal antam kada. So that's how even I, without my knowledge, actually that character doesn't have to cry, but he's only pleading for water. But she is so overwhelmed, Chandalika, she's pouring water. And her happiness because a saint is taking water from a Harijan. Whereas it went the other way, I would shed tears. That means we can imagine how involved Balaka was in that character. Always Master, I remember that very well. Only then later on I realized it's not this thing that a man doing a female's role or a female doing a man's role. It is irrelevant. You should feel you are doing the role and doing justice to the character, be it Satyabhama, be it Krishna, or anyone. Even when a lady does a man role or a man does a women role, we have to follow the ethics of the character. This I really saw in Balaka, because I've seen Shobhaka perform. She was excellent, no doubt, but I had no chance to perform with Shobhaka. But when I performed with Balaka, it was totally a different scenario. It was fantastic way of performing. And then when it came to Shishupala, it was a different feel. So she knows very well. See, Balaka is laughing. So it was what do you say? Like a Navran, a different chances to perform and different roles. And yeah, I think I should thank Mana Gurugar for having selected me even little late. It was little late, but then once he knew I grew up and I was tall enough and I was matured enough to perform, I started getting this, and I was so happy I was able to perform with Balaka.
ఎక్సలెంట్ పర్ఫార్మర్ మా బాజీ అన్నయ్య. పర్ఫెక్షన్ అంటే బాజీ అన్నయ్య, బాజీ అన్నయ్య అంటే పర్ఫెక్షన్ అనే మా ఇద్దరిది అసలు ఇప్పుడు పిట్స్బర్గ్ టెంపుల్లో కానీ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇంకా కూడా యూట్యూబ్ లో మా ఇద్దరు శివ పార్వతి ఇంకా రన్ అవుతోంది.
మనం పిట్స్బర్గ్ టెంపుల్ లో పర్ఫామ్ చేసినప్పుడు కూడా మనం టీవీలో శ్రీనివాస్ కళ్యాణ్ చూస్తున్నప్పుడు ఆ బిట్టే వేస్తున్నారు.
ఇప్పటికీ బాజీ ఆ శివ పార్వతి బిట్టు ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు నాకు ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఏంటండి ఇది ఏమన్నా స్టాచ్యూసా? అసలు ఆ అబ్బాయి కానీ మీరు కానీ చిన్న పిసరు ఏదో పెయింట్ చేసి స్కెచెస్ వేసిన లాగా మీ ఇద్దరు చేతిలో కాళ్ళు ఒకలాగా వెళ్ళడం ఏంటి, ఒకలాగా రావడం ఏంటి, అంత ఫాస్ట్ లో కూడా ఏ ఒక్కటి వదలకుండా మేము ఎన్నిసార్లు చూసామోనండి. ఇది మాకేం తెలిసినా తెలియకపోయినా కూడా కళ్ళకి పెద్ద ట్రీట్ అని. మన ఇద్దరి శివ పార్వతి మాత్రం నిజంగా అలా ఉండిపోయింది.
నీకు బాగా గుర్తుందాక మనం శ్రీనివాస్ కళ్యాణం తమిళ వర్షన్ మనం మ్యూజిక్ అకాడమీలో చేసినప్పుడు ఎంజిఆర్ గారు చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ గా వచ్చారు. మొత్తం బ్యాలే చూసిన తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ ఆయన స్టేజ్ మీదకి వచ్చి మాట్లాడినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ హీ స్పోక్ అబౌట్ శివ అండ్ పార్వతి డాన్స్. I hope Balaka remembers that. And he said the right hand of Shiva and the left hand of Parvati, or right hand of Parvati or left hand Shiva, everything were so beautifully synchronized. That dance is in my vision. Ani MJR garu chepparu. I think there we both have to take the credit and the divine blessings of Master garu. No doubt.
That's so lovely to know, Baji Anaya. నిజంగా బాలక్కని మిమ్మల్ని ఇట్లా చూస్తుంటే మేము ఆ వీడియోస్ లో చూసినవి వెనకాల ఓహో ఇలా జరుగుంటాయేమోనని వీఆర్ ట్రైంగ్ టు విజువలైజ్, బికాస్ మాకు ఆ మాటలు ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ అవర్ డిఎన్ఏ అని చెప్పాలి, బట్ వీ హావ్ నాట్ సీన్ ఇట్ ఇన్ లైఫ్. బట్ ఈ రోజు బికాస్ బాలక్క ఇస్ దేర్, యు ఆర్ దేర్. See, nowadays I don't say it everyone, but కొరియోగ్రఫీ అంటే ఎంత ఇన్నోవేటివ్ గా చేయాలని ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు, ఎంత ఎక్స్పెరిమెంటేషన్ చేయాలని ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు. బట్ బ్యాక్ ది డేస్ వెన్ మాస్టర్ గారు బాలక మీద కొరియోగ్రఫీ చేసినప్పుడు, లేదా మీ మీద చేసినప్పుడు, సీనియర్ డిసైపుల్స్ మీద చేసినప్పుడు, he held the soul of the composition, he held the soul of the composer, and it is not an exaggeration if we say that శ్రీనివాస కళ్యాణంలో శ్రీనివాసుడు పద్మావతి వస్తే ఆడియన్స్ లేచి డైరెక్ట్ గా హారతి ఇచ్చేవారు పళ్ళెంతో. సో అది దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అన్ ఎగ్జాజరేషన్. బట్ ఇప్పుడు బాలక్క చెప్తున్నారు ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ఖండజాతి ధృవతాళం దట్ విచ్ ఇస్ వెరీ క్రిటికల్ అని. నౌ బికాస్ ద శివ అండ్ పార్వతి ఆర్ దేర్ రైట్ నౌ, ఐ వుడ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ బాలక్క అండ్ బాజీ అన్నయ్య టు టెల్ us about the jati and the great choreographic pattern that you were in for our audience.
So before me, because Balaka herself did that role. But as far as the choreography, I would like to say a few things definitely about Mashkar's choreography. I think Nabhuto Nabhavishyati. Mashkari choreography laga, I have not seen any other guru's choreography. Let people be jealous, let people be offended. I don't mind about it. But every movement of his, every gesture of his had an explanation by itself. It was a beauty by itself. It had its own glamour. It had, but biggest asset is it always remained, the aesthetics always remained intact. Master made sure that the art form never was diluted in his choreography. So I think in that way, this one of this piece, that is Shiva Parvati piece from Srinivas Kalyanam, is a masterpiece choreography. Now I would ask Balaka to give me some inputs on that.
అన్నీ చేయడం ఒక ఎత్తును, చాలా సార్లు కొన్నిసార్లు ఆలోచించేవారు మాస్టర్ గారు, కొన్నిసార్లు ఆయనకి తెలియకుండానే ఆ భగవదేచ్ఛ, ఆయనకి దాని మీద ఉన్న భక్తి, ఆ కూచిపూడిని తప్పనిసరిగా ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ఇది ఎంత గొప్ప ఆర్ట్ చూపించాలని ఆయనకున్న తపన, వీటిలన్నిటితోటి ఆ భగవదేచ్ఛ కూడా ఆయన్ని నడిపిస్తూ ఉండేది. అలా ఒక రోజు రాత్రి 1 గంటకో 2 గంటలకో కబురు చేశారు. ఒకసారి ఆయనకి నిద్ర పట్టకపోతే పాత అకాడమీలో పైన డాబా, మా రూమ్ ఎదురుగుండా మెట్లుంటే పైన డాబా మీద అమ్మాను మాస్టర్ గారు ఒక్కోసారి ఆ మేడ మీదకి వెళ్ళి పడుకునేవారు. అక్కడ లైట్ గిట్ ఏం ఉండవు. ఈయనకి శ్రీనివాస కళ్యాణం కంపోజ్ చేస్తున్నంత సేపు అసలు ఆయన నిద్రపోయారో, తిండి తిన్నారో లేదో, ఇవన్నీ వెరీ క్రిటికల్. ఆయనకి ఏంటంటే టీటీడీ దేవస్థానం వాళ్ళు ఈయన్ని దేవస్థానం ఆచార్యుడిగా చేసిన తర్వాత ఇది ఆయన్ని చేయమని ఇచ్చారని, అమ్మో భగవత్ ప్రసాదం, ఇది చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా చేయాలని, అసలు ఎంత తప్పించిపోయారంటే దీన్ని చాలా బాగా చేయాలి అది అని, ఏది ఎలా చేయాలా అని ముక్తేశ్వరరావు గారని మాస్టర్ గారి బాబాయ్ గారు ఒక ఆయన ఉండేవారు. కొంచెం ఎప్పుడైనా కొంచెం ఒరే బాబాయ్ అని మాస్టర్ గారు, ఉండరా అబ్బాయి అని ఆయన వచ్చి, ఒరే బాబాయ్ చూడు ఇలా ఏదో ఒకటి అంటున్నాను, అది ఎలా వస్తున్నాను అలాగా ధీం 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 తదింగిణత ధీం ఇలాగా అసలు ధృవతాళం మీద ఖండచాపులు 5 అక్షరాలు నడుస్తూ 3 లఘువులు ఒక ధృతం వేసుకుని వెళ్ళడానికి మాటల పొందు కుదరడమే చాలా కష్టం. అలాంటిది ధీం తద్దీం తత్తత్తద్దీం తత్తక్కత్త జన్ను తత్తక్కిటతక తరికిటతక తళంగు తద్దిత్త కిడతకి తరగడం ధీం తద్దీం తత్తక్కత్త ధీం తత్తక్కత్త జన్ను తక్కిటతక తరికిటతక తళంగు తద్దిత్త కిడతకి తరగడం. దాని మళ్ళీ సంధానం అన్నమాట తగ్గింపుల్లోకి. అలాగా అసలు ఎంత ఎక్సలెంట్ గా 1 గంటకి మాస్టర్ గారు భార్య అమ్మ వచ్చి, ఏమే మీ గురువు గారు పిలుస్తున్నారు, వేషం వేసుకుంటారా అనే. వేషం వేసుకుని రావడం అంటే, అమ్మ మీరు ఇలా అంటున్నారు కానీ ఒక రోజుకి శ్రీనివాస కళ్యాణం ఎంత అద్భుతంగా ఉండబోతుందో చూడండి అని. సరే సరే రావే. అలాగా అసలు శ్రీనివాస కళ్యాణంలో ఏ ఒక్క సన్నివేశం తీసుకున్నా కూడా బాజీ మన అద్భుతాలే అవి. నువ్వు అన్నట్టు నా భూతో నా భవిష్యత్.
ఐ థింక్ మాస్టర్ గారు దానికి ఆ జీవం పోయటం, భుజంగరాయ శర్మ గారు రాయటం ఏమిటి, సంగీతరావు గారు సంగీతం చేయటం ఏమిటి, అది నిజంగా ఆ త్రిమూర్తులకి నిజంగా చేతులెత్తి దండం పెట్టాలి. గొప్ప విషయం.
అండ్ భుజంగరాయ శర్మ గారు అంటే నాకు ఈ మాట గుర్తొస్తుంది. బాలక్క వాజ్ దేర్ ఆల్ త్రూ ద శ్రీనివాస కళ్యాణం కొరియోగ్రఫీ. పద్మావతి శ్రీనివాస కళ్యాణ పంజర సుఖి అయిన బాల పరాకు అని భుజంగరాయ శర్మ గారు మాస్టర్ గారు, అది ఇట్స్ అ డాక్యుమెంటెడ్ ఎవిడెన్స్ ఆఫ్ the hard work of Balaka that has gotten into the Srinivasa Kalyanam.
There's one more thing, Malyada, that you don't know. In Rukmini Kalyanam, Rukmini Pravesha Darulo also,
we know.
He has used the word Muddagattina.
Muddu Balamma Atsapu Muddal.
అది ఇది ఆయన అక్కడ తీసుకొచ్చారు. అది అది అలా ఊరికే తీసుకురాలేరు ఎవరు. దానికి బాలకి ఎంత శ్రమ ఉన్నదని మాలాంటి వాళ్ళకి తెలుసు. ఈ జనరేషన్ ఎవరికి తెలియదు, కానీ మేమందరం కళ్ళారా చూసాం గనక బాలకి ఒక కష్టం ఏమిటి, తను ఎంత శ్రమించింది. మేమందరం డే స్కాలర్స్ లాగా వెళ్ళేవాళ్ళం, కొన్ని గంటలు ఉండేవాళ్ళం, పొద్దున క్లాసు ఈవినింగ్ క్లాసు ఉండేవాళ్ళం, వెళ్ళిపోయేవాళ్ళం. కానీ నడు మధ్యాహ్నం పిలిచిన మాస్టర్ గారు చేయాలి, రాత్రి 10ంటికి పిలిచినా చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు బాలకి చెప్పిన మధ్యరాత్రి లేపి రా ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి చేయంటే చేయాలి. అది అంటే 24/7. మనం ఇప్పుడు చూస్తాం NDTV 24/7 అని, అలాగా బాలక్క 24/7 అనమాట. సో
మీరు ఆ రుక్మిణి కళ్యాణం ప్రవేశదరు ఇప్పుడు ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ఎవ్రీవన్ ఇస్ డూయింగ్ రుక్మిణి ప్రవేశదరు. ఇట్ హాస్ బికమ్ అ వెరీ వెరీ వెల్ నోన్ కామన్ ఐటమ్. బట్ ఎక్కడ ఎవరు చేసినా కూడా when that charanam comes, we feel so proud that we are her disciples అని. అక్కడ మా గురువు గారి పేరు వచ్చిందని we are so proud of that. And definitely this మీరందరూ చాలా లక్కీ. బాలక్క గాని, బాజీ అన్నయ్య గాని, శోభక్క గాని, మంజక్క గాని, యు ఆల్ బిలాంగ్ టు అ జనరేషన్ హూ హ్యావ్ సీన్ ద క్రీమ్ ఆఫ్ కూచిపూడి అన్నమాట. నిజంగా ఆ జర్నీని మీరు చూసారు. మేమంతా మీ హార్డ్ వర్క్ కి వీఆర్ టేస్టింగ్ ద ఫ్రూట్స్, బట్ ఆ నిజమైన హార్డ్షిప్స్ అన్నది kudos to your generations, really. And
Actually,
that is what
50
we want to give to the audience of our Kuchipudi Amritam.
When I started going regularly to the dance class from here, it's about 2 kilometers distance by walk. So Manju Bhargavi being my neighbor, so she used to come near my house, Baji, come, తొందరగా నాకు మళ్ళీ రిహార్సల్ ఉంది రా అని చెప్పి, బికాస్ ఇస్ మై సీనియర్, వీళ్ళందరూ నా సీనియర్స్. ఈ జర్నీలో ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ మంజు కానీ, బాలక్క కానీ, అనుపమాక్క కానీ, అందరూ పద్మ, కొత్తపల్లి పద్మ కానీ, ఇలా వీళ్ళందరూ, సీతక్క, ఢిల్లీలో ఉన్న సీతక్క, తర్వాత టీచర్ దుర్గక్క, అసలు వీళ్ళందరూ ఎలాగంటే మాకు సీనియర్స్. వీళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారో మేము అలా కూర్చొని చూసేవాళ్ళం. అలా వస్తే శోభక్క ఎక్స్ప్రెషనల్ ఐటమ్స్ ఆవిడ చేస్తుంటే ఇలా కూర్చునేవాడు నోరు తెచ్చుకుని. ఇంకా మూమెంట్లకు వచ్చినాయంటే బాలక్కని బీట్ చేసేవాళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు. ఇవన్నీ ఇప్పుడు ఇలాంటి మూమెంట్స్ అని ఉన్నాయి తెలుసా, ఇలాంటివన్నీ కొన్ని మూమెంట్లు మనకి అంత ఈజీ కాదు, మిగతా డాన్సర్స్ కూడా ఎవరు చేయలేరు అటువంటి కొరియోగ్రఫీ మాస్టర్ గారిది. అటువంటిది బాలక్క అలా చేయగలిగింది కనుక మేము అలా నేర్చుకోగలిగాం. బాలక్క ఇలా పొదలు ఊరికి ఇలా ఉందంటే మేము ఇలాగే చేస్తాం ఆ టైంకి. అలా కాదు, అదేంటంటే మాస్టర్ గారు మనసులో ఏంటుందో ఆయన కన్వే చేసింది బాలక్క అర్థం చేసుకుని she could live up to that level. Only then we all as juniors, when we joined, we knew how we have to do that movement. So she has been a very instrumental person in many dancers' lives in the academy, be it Indian, be it students from abroad.
అమ్మా నీకు ఇంకో విషయం తెలుసా, ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ వైజాగ్ లో కళాక్షేత్రం పెట్టినప్పుడు బాజీ అన్నయ్య ఫస్ట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్.
ఒక 6 నెలలు 6 months 7 months ఉన్నా నేను. వాళ్ళందరూ ఫండమెంటల్స్ వరకు కంప్లీట్ చేశారు వాళ్ళందరూ ఆ గ్రూప్. అది తర్వాత బాలక్క టుక్ ఓవర్ అండ్ she did a wonderful 10 years.
చాలా మంది మంచి ఆర్టిస్టులను తయారు చేశాడమ్మా బాజీ అన్నయ్య. చాలా మంది ఆర్టిస్టులని వాళ్ళని బాగా వెల్ షైన్ చేసి కూచిపూడి చాలా బాగా నేర్పించి, అంటే ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ అందరూ చేస్తున్న పని అదే, డాన్స్ క్లాసులు పెడితే అందరికీ నేర్పిస్తున్నారు కాదని అనలేదు. కానీ అన్నయ్య ఇలాగ బిజీగా ఉండే స్టార్స్ ఎంతో మంది, వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా చేయాలని దుగ్ధ ఉంటుంది, టైం అది కుదరదు. అలాంటి వాళ్ళు కూడా పాపం తను డే అండ్ నైట్ అని ఆలోచించకుండా ఆ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా మంచి మంచి ఆర్టిస్టులకి వాళ్ళ చేత మళ్ళీ కూచిపూడి అది నేర్పించి వాళ్ళతోటి తనతో కలిపి వాళ్ళని కూడా పర్ఫామ్ చేయించి అలాగా చాలా మంచి రూట్ వేశాడు.
అలా నేను చెప్పాలంటే వన్ ఆఫ్ ది పర్సన్ ఇస్ మీనాక్షి శేషాద్రి. నా దగ్గర ఒక దాదాపు 20 ఐటమ్స్ నేర్చుకుంది నా దగ్గర. బాలక్క దగ్గర నేర్చుకుంది, మాస్టర్ గారి దగ్గర ముందు మొదలెట్టింది. కానీ తనకి మాస్టర్ గారి టైమింగ్స్ అవి సెట్ అవ్వట్లేదు, అకాడమీకి వెళ్ళడం షూటింగ్స్ వల్ల. సో వాళ్ళ అమ్మ నన్ను రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసింది, మూర్తి నువ్వు నేర్పిస్తావా అని. తప్పకుండా నేర్పిస్తాను అంటే అని చెప్పి ఇంకా నేర్పించి మేము ఇద్దరం కలిపి దాదాపు more than 100 shows మేము చేసాం. ఆపి వాళ్ళకి అమెరికాలో చేసాం, కువైట్లో చేసాం, couple of countries I traveled with her, and within India, in fact, Taj Mahotsav, Bittur Ganga, ilanti konni festivals lo inaugural I danced with Hema Malini, and the last day with Meenakshi Sheshadri Kuchipudi duet. Banu Priya kuda konni items నేర్చుకుంది మన దగ్గరికి వచ్చి. అలాగా సో నా వల్ల చేయగలిగింది ఒక సపోర్ట్ అన్నమాట. అలా చేయగలిగాను నేను. అంటే మాస్టర్ గారి దగ్గర A to Z అందరూ వచ్చారు. అలనాటి సావిత్రి గారు ఏమిటి, మా మాజీ ముఖ్యమంత్రి జయలలిత గారు ఏమిటి, వైజయంతిమాల గారు, యు నేమ్, ప్రతి యాక్ట్రెస్, ముచ్చర్ల అన్నవాడిని, తులసి అవని అందరూ మాస్టర్ గారి దగ్గర నేర్చుకున్నవాడు.
So Baji Anaya, you were just mentioning that Hema Malini ji wanted someone to do Sivashtakam along with her, and Master Garu suggested your name and you performed with her. And from that moment, I mean, this year you'll be celebrating 30 years with performing with the Hema Malini, if I can say. So it's definitely not a joke and not something very easy to be performing with celebrities. And that to an association of 30 long years is definitely not a joke. So if you can throw some light on your association and your journey with that, we would be very happy to know.
Definitely. Opportunity came that I should do Sivashtakam for her Nupur, and Master said, you just go, she will tell you how, you do a performance show. Then I went and performed. Then that was the day, first day I saw her in that Venus studio. She was with a Mohiniyattam getup. She was doing Pandatam shooting. And that's when I went and saw her. And it was a wonderful feel for me. And I danced that. And then she said, Murthy, I want you to change a little. And I got scared because who am I to change master's choreography? My God. Then she said, no. I will inform Guruji, because for the sake of camera work, we need certain moments to be changed. So I said, okay. And obviously everything was Kuchipudi moments. I did a little bit of changes, and that became a big hit. After the first episode being telecast on the national Doordarshan, 3 days later, I got a call. In fact, for me to reach Hema Malini through Master Garu, the person behind this is her brother Kannan Chakravarti and his wife. They both are instrumental in telling about me to Hema Malini. So that's how it happened. Then from there, after a few months gap, again Kannan Chakravarti came to my house, her brother, and requested, like, Hema Malini ji is doing a lot of shows, and there's a ballet called Durga, and where we are looking for the Shiva's role to be done by you. And the choreographer Shri Bhushan Lakhandri has already been performing, but due to his other commitments, he's unable to come. So would you mind joining? So it was like I jumped from here to like a Superman, jumping 10 floors up. So happy I was because I got a call from Hemaji. But the test for me there was, I had only 3 days to learn the entire character. He asked me, would you mind doing for a tour when we were going? She said, a few shows you do as Bhojraj in Meera, because we were going to Australia and New Zealand. So this is how the journey went. But the biggest asset is I have learned a lot of theatrical presentations, how to move about on a stage, and how to this thing. One part of my schooling was definitely with Master Garu for more than 20 years, where I learned a lot of nuances on the stage, off the stage, and other things. And two, with Hema Malini ji, it was again a different level of performances. So I had learned a lot of things. And one thing great about this lady, Hema Malini ji, the dancing diva, the dream girl, she's such a wonderful human being. I mean, she treats you more like a family member. At the same time, she respects you. I always used to tell her, like, how, see, I tell Balaka, Akka, and I told Hema ji also, Hema ji, you are like my sister. You call me as a brother and call me Murthy normally. No, Murthy ji, I shouldn't do that, because the entire group, they're all from different facets. So they should always respect you. You are such a wonderful classical dancer. So I have to, when I respect you, they will automatically respect you. That word, she stood until today. She calls me Ninga. How are you, sir? Murthy ji, like that only. I mean, this is not something great about me. I'm talking about the greatness of Hema Malini ji. The humbleness and the artist of that caliber, her celebrity status is something beyond all our imagination. She's so, we can always say Kuchipudi Art Academy is proud to have another artist like Hema Malini, who has learned from Master Garu also. It's a big thing for us, like Vaijayanti Malaji. So performing with her, traveling with her, giving me the same respect of accommodation, everything along with her in this thing is something unimaginable. So my journey, I'm looking forward for some more years of performing with her. Every performance, even till today, all these 500 shows, we've never performed without a rehearsal. However busy she is, however committed she is to other, press meets or other lunch, dinners, whatever, a rehearsal has to happen for us.
Their dedication.
So qualities that I have learned from her, Hema ji, no doubt. Fantastic artist.
So Bajania, when you were telling about you performing the male lead with Hema Malini ji, you were telling that you had to learn some chow movements or Kathakali movements. But I think that being a Kuchipudi dancer, a Kuchipudi practitioner, which is a dance drama tradition, I think all Kuchipudi dancers are well equipped with the entire technicalities of Natya Shastra, not just any dance form in particular. Because we have the geometry of Bharatanatyam, we have the curves of Odissi, we have the fast, brisk movements of Kathak, and we have the elaborate expressions of Kathakali, and we have the fine, subtle movements of Mohiniyattam. So I think we should call ourselves well equipped with Natya Shastra than equipped with Kuchipudi dance form. And truly Kuchipudi makes itself an Amritam. And we are all that small droplets of that ocean of Amritam. And thank you so much for talking about this. And Balaka, thank you so much for sharing your experiences. I mean, these are all such a treasure because these are not documented in any books. And this is what we want to give to our audience, which people don't find in the Google or the books that we are all dependent now. So thank you so much. But Baji, and I wanted to ask you something. Meri Siva Foundation you established, and once Balaka or Manjaka or Shobhaka, the so-called prime disciples of Master Garu, post-marriage or some, their own decisions of life, have shifted to different parts of the country. And Chennai, or the so-called Madras, that you're emotionally attached to the name Madras than Chennai. So that which is the hub of Kuchipudi, Master Gari time nunchi kuda. So we'll prime disciples andaru, when they started moving to different parts of the country, ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నారు కిషోర్ అన్నయ్య గాని శైలజక్క గాని సత్యప్రియ ఆంటీ గాని వీళ్ళందరూ ఉన్నారు బట్ you are, I think, the senior most among all the people who are still there in Madras Rao, and so-called the torchbearer of master's tradition, because you being the senior of everyone who are still there in Madras. And through Shiva Foundation, you've been doing commendable work to the dance form of Kuchipudi in particular. And you are a Kalaimamani also. And Government of Tamil Nadu awarding Kalaimamani to a Telugu person and to a Kuchipudi dancer, I think it takes a lot of effort and persistence and perseverance to get that recognition from a government of, a state which respects its art form like that.
నేను ఒకటే అంటా, నేను ఒక తెలుగువాడిగా మనం గర్వించి ఒక తమిళ దేశంలో పుట్టాం, తెలుగు వాళ్ళ కడుపులో. అలాంటి తెలుగు గురు వెంపటి గారి వారి దగ్గర నన్ను నేర్చుకున్నాం. అటువంటి మనకి ఇటువంటి ఒక రికగ్నిషన్ ఇవ్వడం అన్నది మనం నిజంగా ఐఎమ్ వెరీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ తమిళనాడు ఫర్ రికగ్నైజింగ్ ద లిటిల్ టాలెంట్ ఇన్ మీ.
అలాంటిది మీ బాలకకి మ్యూజిక్ అకాడమీ వాళ్ళు బెస్ట్ టీచర్, బెస్ట్ కొరియోగ్రాఫర్ ఇచ్చారంటే ఆ రోజు అది తీసుకుంటున్నప్పుడు కూడా నేను అదే, ఇవన్నీ మా మాస్టర్ కళలు.
And today, if I have started Siva Foundation and I've completed 25 years, and I was able to honor, I think, close to some 25 top celebrities. And I'm very happy to tell you that my first recipient of my father, Madhavpedi Satyam Award, was given to our Guru Vempati Chinnasachyam garu. And Madhavpedi Prabhavati Award, my mother's award, was also given first to our Amma, Master's wife. So it is a big blessing, because as a son, what I could do for my original parents, I could even do to my Guru and Guruma, who have given me this life as a dancer. Then yes, the journey went in Siva Foundation, where I honored next to Balamurali Garu, Mrs. YGP, P.B. Srinivas Garu, Susila Garu, Janak Garu, then K. Vishwanath Garu, S.P. Balasubramanian Garu, Kanchana, Rajasulochana, Anjali Devi, Vidyasagar, Sangeetan Srinivas Rao, our dear Manju Bhargavi also, I gave my mom's award. And not to forget, Balaka received Siva Foundation Award, again where I had Nalli Kuppasamy Garu, who inaugurated my dance school that day in 95 May 1st. He came March 1st last year to inaugurate, and the chief guest was none other than Padma Shri Hema Malini ji. And I had the luck, because I chose people within Chennai, because it was a very short time. In 20 days I had to do.
2012 July 29th, మాస్టర్ గారు నటరాజ పాదాలకి చేరిన రోజు, ఇట్ వాస్ 2012 July 29th. అది 1 month ముందు one of the students of Balaka, వాళ్ళ ఆరంగేట్రం was fixed on July 29th, and ఫిక్స్ చేసింది 2-3 months back ఫిక్స్ చేశారు ఆరంగేట్రం. The day of the program, Balaka came to know that, Master Garu left to the heavenly abode. Parents chala, they were so emotionally disturbed. Enti itla anukunnamu, it is arangetram. And so it's like, Balaka apeddama poni, shall we stop the arangetram? Shall we postpone it to some other day? Balaka said, no, we will do it and I will do the Natuvangam, because if we cancel it or rather postpone it, he from the above will not be happy. Me sitting and doing Natuvangam, I think he'll go very happily. And that day we have literally seen Balaka all through the performance doing Natuvangam with tears in her eyes. And
No
she
doubt.
said, the tribute to my master. So
He did a very right thing because that was his vision. His art should never be stopped anywhere. You believe it or not, when Master's mortal remains were there for people to come and view, I organized in such a way, I told all of us are dancing here. So in front of Master, because that's the last journey of his. So we all danced in a couple of batches. That is the best tribute that we as students can
Yes.
do it. And what Balaka did is absolutely right, because that is when his soul will rest in peace.
అది బా ఎన్నో మెమరీస్
మర్చిపోలేని సంఘటనలు అవన్నీ. యా
ఆదిత్య, నువ్వేమైనా అడుగుతానంటే అడుగు ఆదిత్య, ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్.
మావయ్య, నాకు ఇందాక మీరు శివాష్టకం చేశాను అన్నారు కదా, సో అక్కడ ఒక చిన్నది నాకు అనిపించింది. అంటే బీయింగ్ బాలక్క స్టూడెంట్స్, వీఆర్ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ టు ఆస్క్ దిస్, అండ్ మాకు కూడా తెలుసుకోవడానికి కూడా యాంగ్జైటీగా ఉంది. ఏమిటి అంటే, యాజ్ ఐ హర్డ్ దట్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద master's items was choreographed and master's ballets was choreographed on Balaka. And after Balaka also there was been many ballets choreographed and many items has been choreographed. But when there was Balaka with Master Garu, there was the items which has been standardized, like Ananda Tandavam, Shivastuti, Shivastakam, Marakatha Manimaya. So after Balaka came to Visakhapatnam, there was, yes, as Master Garu, he is the greatest thing whatever is happened in Kuchipudi. So అట్లాగా బాలకతో వచ్చిన ఐటమ్స్ ఈ రోజు కూడా స్టాండర్డైజ్ అయిపోయినాయి. అది మనకి కూడా కూచిపూడి అంటే ఈ ఐటమ్స్, లేదా ఈ ఐటమ్స్ అంటే మాషి గారివి అనే ఐటమ్స్ ఇవే ఉన్నాయి. ఆ తర్వాతకి వచ్చినాయి అవి కూడా బాగున్నాయి, అన్నీ వెళ్ళినాయి, కానీ ఈ పర్టికులర్ ఐటమ్స్ అనేవి స్టాండర్డ్గా ఉండిపోయినాయి. అండ్ వీఆర్ ప్రౌడ్. ఏంటి అంటే అది మా గురువు గారి ఒంటి మీదే పుట్టాయి ఆ ఐటమ్స్. అలాగా మేము ఇవన్నీ వినికిడే, మీరందరూ అక్కడ ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి, మీరు కళ్ళారా చూసారు కాబట్టి, ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు నో అబౌట్ దట్ small thing also from your words, Baji Mawya.
See, as I told you in the beginning, there are some movements of Master Garu which I can bet you 99% of the other style dancers cannot perform those movements. As you said, there were some items that were really standardized as long as Balaka was there, which is 200% true. I will not deny that. Why? Because Balaka's dedication and the movements that she learned from Master Garu were very authentic. And what Balaka, for certain classes that she was taking for us, was taught very authentic. What we learned is the exact replica of what Master told and what Balaka picked up. Obviously, if she does something wrong, Master won't accept it. First, we should remember that.
Yes.
Correct? Because his vision, he knows. If he says you have to bend so much, Balaka has to bend so much. She can't tell I'll do like this. Then he will say, hey, inka benche, he will say automatically. So, whatever the choreography that Master Garu had in his mind, Balaka could recreate it so well. And whatever she recreated, taking the vision from Master Garu or taking the lessons from Master Garu, we all followed her. We all followed seniors. I'm not denying that. There were many items that I sat after my regular class when Balaka and all these people were doing. We used to watch. When Manju Bhargavi, Shobha Naidu, Balaka, Anupamaka, all of them used to perform, we all used to sit, some of our juniors, and watch for hours. And that's how we learned. But when we came to the time of learning that item, it became very easy because Balaka gave us certain hints. Hey Baji, first it నుంచి వెళ్తుంది శివాష్టకంలో, next it నుంచి వెళ్ళాలి, because that's a very confusing item when you are learning for the first time. But having seen these people, Balaka, perform those items, the choreography of Mashgaru, it became very easy for us to imbibe. So the credit there goes to Balaka, definitely. Many, yes, there were certain javalis and things like that which were given to Shobhaka.
Yes.
He taught her. But when it is anything concerned with Nritta, I think there is no one else beyond Balaka. So the Kuchipudi's essence of those movements are intact even till date, at least with all the students who have learned under Guruji, with the support of Balaka and others there. For all this thing, I think Balaka's contribution to this field of Kuchipudi is immense. No doubt, Balaka has been recognized by Sangeet Natak Academy, by Ramineni Foundation, by the government of Andhra Pradesh. I know, and she is still capable, and she is definitely going to scale much bigger heights in the coming future. This is only her hard work. Again, I'm telling you, Aditya, Malyada, you should know, Balaka's journey is not a funny journey or a casual journey or anything. It is true hard work. And I have learned so much from Balaka while performing with her. While performing with her, I have learned a lot. So I'm very, very happy to say this today because Balaka has grown very, very high level, but she has not grown through her mind. She's still the same Balaka that we have seen those days. Her name, she has created so many items, she has created dance dramas, she has nurtured so many new students, and many of you all have come up, including you, Malyada. You're all such wonderful dancers today. All this is done only by Balaka, but Balaka as a human, as a person, she has not changed. This is the biggest and the greatest part that I like to congratulate Balaka. Let her get tomorrow Padma Shri, let her get any award, let her get Kala Shri, whatever awards from any state, any even from international. But Balaka as a human has not changed from the time I saw her on 1973 December 3rd evening till date. Hats off to you, Balaka.
ఇదంతా మీ ఎఫెక్షన్ బాజీ.
Wonderful.
గొప్ప చెప్పాలని నేను చెప్పలేదు. This is the truth. So Balaka's journey in Kuchipudi has to be told in a manner what I told. And I'm sure this every dancer who has been in Kuchipudi Art Academy and who has been in association with Bala Kondalrao Garu will accept it 100%.
Bajanaya, being a very senior practitioner of Kuchipudi, performer, and more than everything, a teacher to so many students who are all well known. Your message to the young performers, practitioners?
I always I love telling this thing in many places I told. For the youngsters, learn from a proper guru and go learn in person. Don't learn from videos. Videos, you can just catch up, but you cannot live up. When you perform, we can easily spot you that you've learned not from a proper guru, but from either a YouTube video or something. So work with that. We are all the examples. Balaka, myself, Anupamaka, Manju Bhargavi, you name any of us. We've all undergone not less than 20 years of practice with Master Garu, 6 days a week. Not once a week, but 6 days a week. But yes, people these days do not have time because they're concentrating more on the academics and there's a lot of competition. But where there is a will, there is a way. So I always tell 3 Ds, follow 3 Ds. One, have dedication, have devotion, and have determination. So what you intend to do, don't neglect this art form as a normal thing, because today, I told you during the middle of my talk, that I had gone into an airline and I worked for 6 years. When I was interviewed, there were very beautiful looking girls who came for interview, and they were asked questions, and very glamorous looking girls, because airline job is more glamorous based. For me, they said, talk about yourself. So I spoke about my art that I learned from Master Garu for the last 1.5 decades, 2 decades. And I was the first one to be selected for the job. So dance has given me the job. My students, I know a couple of them, today they are working in Cognizant, 2-3 of them are working in other places. They've all gone and given their resume stating that we are learning from Kalaimamani Madhapati Murthy Kuchipudi. And they were called for another interview next day. And in the interview, the panel said, you know why we called you? We want to hear more about your art form, not about what you're going to do for the company, because we have hundreds of people going to do, but you are going to enhance our company. So art is so important. So please imbibe any art form that you learn with utmost care and devotion. So devotion, dedication, determination. You follow these 3 Ds, your life is made.
Thank you so much, Annaya. Amma is a
రోజు
culture.
బాలక్క ఏ మాటలైతే చెప్పి వాళ్ళ బుర్ర వాయి కొడుతూ ఉంటుందో, మళ్ళీ ఈ రోజు బాజీ అనే ద్వారా కూడా అదే మాటలు వింటున్నారు వీళ్ళు.
You should understand, see, Malyada is such a wonderful dancer. I met her in Swarabhishekam. We both
Yes.
performed together. Okay. And Vishwanath Garu told me this thing, and because Nehru Vishwanath Garu, we share a lot of close this thing for many years. Like I'm like his son. And I've seen Aditya perform. I've seen his videos. I've not seen Aditya perform on stage in live. I'm looking forward to that. So Aditya again is another wonderful dancer. Malyada is an extraordinary dancer. Both of you, you are so blessed, Balaka, to have a wonderful son and a wonderful daughter-in-law also. Not to forget your other elder son. He is again fantastic. I know that. So since we're talking about dance, I'm trying to talk about these two people. And I've seen the dedication in Malyada. And today, I know Malyada is going to scale great heights, and shortly she will become a doctorate. She will become
No, she finished her PhD.
Dr. Malyada, I'm sorry. I thought you're still going to get it, but I think you got it. Congratulations. And yes, God bless you. You and Aditya, you all have a very bright future. Yes, we've done our jobs, but as dancers, we won't have rest. We will still perform. I will still perform until my last breath. I know that, because that's my life, and I love performing more than first. My love is to perform. Then I sit and do also teaching. I'm not denying that. And whatever best I can, I do my choreography. I've done for so many fusion music. I've done for this thing, but all Kuchipudi movements. I've done all that. So I wish you all good luck and follow the wonderful nuances that Balaka taught you, and make sure you take this art form of Guru Vempati Chanachengaru's vision. We lost him. We lost Vempati Venkat. We lost Vempati Ravishankar. I think we are in a very, very difficult situation today. But we are all the torchbearers of Kuchipudi today to take Master's vision worldwide. So once again, invoking the blessings of Vempati Chanachengaru to be bestowed on Balaka, the entire family, and on all the Kuchipudi dancers, whether they are young, they are new, they are seniors, they are super seniors. I invoke the blessings of Master Garu to be bestowed on one and all of you. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.
చాలా సంతోషం నాన్న నీతో ఇవన్నీ ఇలాగ షేర్ చేయడం.
I request Aditya to propose the vote of thanks.
Yes, Baji Mauya, it was a wonderful, wonderful session with you, knowing so many experiences from your journey towards the Kuchipudi. And we once again thank you from our bottom of our heart, from the team of Kuchipudi Kala Kendram. Thank you once again.
It's a
Thank you
pleasure.
so much, one and all. Thank you, Baji Annaya. Thank you, Balakka. And thank you, Aditya, and the entire team of Kuchipudi Kala Kendram. I shouldn't call it an international talk series for this episode because I think I should name this as Art from the Heart. So we all had goosebumps the entire session when Balaka and Baji Annaya were talking about the choreographies of Master Garu, their experiences with Kuchipudi. I think the audience of this episode are truly lucky, I should say. And thank you so much, Annaya, for accepting our invitation and for being the guest for today's episode. And thank you, Balaka, for all the support that you always bestow on us. Until we meet again for our next episode, Namaskaram, Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu, stay safe.
Gauri